class 12, the classroom setup in Delhi and Mumbai, coupled with online sessions with the ACCA integrated course, we offer value-added courses like financial modeling, valuation techniques, AI in Excel, Power BI, and Python for finance, which basically means that you will have the comprehensive skill set with ACCA and these value-adding courses. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be talking about something that can seriously boost your career, and that's pursuing the ACCA qualification. If you are in Delhi and wondering where to do it, I'm going to tell you exactly why the Wall Street School is the best place for your ACCA course. Let's dive in. When it comes in pursuing the ACCA qualification, choosing the right institute is critical for exam success. The Wall Street School in Delhi has earned a stellar reputation for offering top-notch ACCA trainings coupled with placements for its students. Let me give you few reasons why the Wall Street School is the best institute for ACCA in Delhi. Number one reason, the Wall Street School has a team of highly qualified and experienced faculty members. The mentor, that is obviously me, and all the trainers are ACCA qualified themselves. The focus here is not just only going to be on theory, but also practical application, making complex concepts much easier for you to understand. Number two reason, comprehensive and structured curriculum. We've broken down the entire learning pedagogy into two phases, the learning phase followed by the revision phase. We first put our students into the foundation batch, which helps them brush up their skills after class 12, or if you're looking for exemptions based on your pursuing graduation. Basically, the endeavor is to help you prepare in the best way possible for your ACCA exam. Number three reason, interactive learning and support. What sets the Wall Street School apart is its approach to learning. The classroom setup in Delhi and Mumbai, coupled with online sessions, make sure that classes are not just lectures. They are interactive sessions where you can ask questions, participate in discussions, and clarify your doubts instantly. We train from ACCA premium content, which is coming right from the examining body itself. Be it online support, be it WhatsApp study groups, or one-on-one support, if you need that extra help, the team is always available to support you. Number four reason, proven success record. The Wall Street School has an impressive track record of success. Many students pass their ACCA exam with flying colors and secure great job placements. The school helps regularly host workshop sessions that help the students in finding that right job opportunity just after they have qualified with the skills level of ACCA. Be it mock interviews or preparing an ATS compliant resume, we cover it all. Check out our live placements page with transparent placements right from 2011 till date. Number five, and the most important reason, we just don't only train you for ACCA. The endeavor is to make you a full-fledged, comprehensive accounting and finance professional. With the ACCA integrated course, we offer value-adding courses like financial modeling, valuation techniques, AI in Excel, Power BI, and Python for finance, which basically means that you will have the comprehensive skill set with ACCA and these value adding courses that the next gen accounting and finance professionals like you need to possess to secure that dream job in Big Fours or Big Tens for that matter. To sum it up, the Wall Street School in Delhi is the best place to do your ACCA course because of its experienced faculty, comprehensive curriculum, interactive training methods, proven success record, modern facilities, and flexible options, both in person, that is classroom training, as well as online learners. If you want to give your ACCA journey the best possible start, this is the place to be. Hope this video helped you making an informed decision. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video. And leave a comment below if you have any questions about the ACCA course or the Wall Street School in general. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, thank you very much. God bless.